So it's done. We have $232 on the account right now. So we have $370 on the account and we are ready to continue. Let me change our investment from $140 to $100 and let me try to open, I think, sell position here because we're expecting to receive a pullback reaction from the resistance line zone, and this is highly likely to be done. So that's why I have already done this. I have already opened sell position in this trade. So it's done. We have $232 on the account right now. Okay, so what do we have here is the price is going down. We're in the downgoing channel, and we have broken through the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands channel, having gathered the stop losses of the buyers. That's why this is our additional fuel for continuation of the current drop, and that's why we have open sell position here. So we have $370 on the account and we are ready to continue. So here we are also in the sell zone according to the MACD. Let me change our investment from $150 to $200 and open sell position and continuation of the current drop. But actually there is no continuation of the current drop because we are moving in the flat channel. But according to the MACD, we're in a strictly sell zone. So that's why let's not argue with this oscillator. Let's just listen to it. And we have already opened position according to the data from the statistics from this oscillator. Okay, it's done. We have $554 on the account. Here we have broken through the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands channel. We're confirming the sell zone. So that's why let me change our investment from $200 to $300 and open sell position, the continuation of the current drop. Down we have $830 on the account right now. Let's proceed further. By the way, my friends, while you are watching this video, don't forget to open the description to it and subscribe to my private TG, in which you will get access to the best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become a professional, experienced trader. Moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time. Subscribe right now, link in the description. Okay, while I was talking, I have already opened one more sell position according to the data from the MACD oscillator, where you can clearly see that we're currently in the strong sell zone. Together with this, we have broken through the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands channel. So these are two confirmations that we need to sell these assets, and we have already done this, investing our $450 in this trade, and still we have around $380 left on the account as our hedge assets. So that's it, just several seconds left and we will see the result of this trade. Just let's hold on. It's done. We have $1,244 on the account right now. Here we are hitting the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel right now, and according to the MACD, we're in the sell zone, so that's why we're highly likely to break through the middle line. Let me change our investment from $450 to $600 and let's try to open sell position here, helping the sellers to finally break through this middle line of this channel. And if we succeed to do this, then we will continue falling significantly towards the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands channel. So that's why let's just wait and see what will happen, but I'm sure, like 100%, that we will succeed in this trade and that it will be profitable for us. So that's it, my friends. Let's wait and see. Done. We have $1,796 on the account. This is a very nice result. And as you can see, we have multiplied our balance almost 10 times more. just within around 7 minutes. So if you want to have the same kind of results as me, it's absolutely possible. Just check the description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, and you will get what is yours. See you all, and bye bye.